Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here's a simple recipe for Kartika Ekadashi. It's a very auspicious day and many people fast on this day. Some people even fast only with fruits and milk, but you can eat some vegetables like potato and sweet potato. So here's one simple recipe with sweet potato. It can be made just in 5 minutes. It tastes really flavorful and do give it a try. Even if you are not fasting, you can make and enjoy it. So let's proceed to make the recipe. And friends, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to receive the notifications. So let's go and make the sweet potatoes. Here are the ingredients. Take 2 sweet potatoes, medium sized. Select long and even ones. 4 tablespoons of jaggery. I am using the organic jaggery, which you can add directly. When you are using the normal jaggery, you have to boil and remove the impurities. 1 tablespoon of ghee. Few cardamoms crushed and use only seeds. A pinch of salt. First we'll wash and peel the sweet potato. Sweet potato can be eaten in Ekadashi. Apart from making this recipe, you can also make shira out of it. I'll be posting that recipe soon. Now we are going to cut it into round pieces. Cut out even size pieces so that they are cooked properly. Rinse them, change the water. This is to avoid discoloration. See that it should be at half an inch thick. Take a pan. Add the ghee. We are using 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let it become little hot. Now add the cardamom seeds, crushed cardamom seeds. Saute for a few seconds till they give out a nice aroma. Now dip in the sweet potato slices. Now we are going to stir fry them for a minute or so. You can see that after stir frying the color changes a bit. It's become little yellowish. Now at this stage you can add water to cook. I'm adding about 1.5 cups of water. Now you can cover the pan and allow it to simmer. After about 2 minutes, you can open to check. Add a pinch of salt now. And the organic jaggery. Now, organic jaggery is not very sweet, so I've taken 4 tablespoons. If you're adding the normal one, I think 3 tablespoons should be sufficient. And this can be added directly as it is a pure form of jaggery. The other one has to be boiled and impurities have to be discarded from that. Now it has simmered for about 3 to 4 minutes. It doesn't take very long to cook. And you do not overcook the sweet potato. Check by inserting the knife. It is done. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes. Now you can just switch off the gas, dish it out, and serve. It can be served at room temperature or also chilled. Friends, do give it a try.